The soul and the self in dream woe sees the dream, the soul or the self? People are divided in opinion concerning the subject of the soul, ra'i, and the self, nafs. Some say that they are both the same thing, e.g., man and human being, while others hold a different view. The first group argues that the self, nafs, means blood. For example, the Arabs say Nafasat-il when a woman discharges blood during her menstrual period. Also, when a woman gives birth they say nafsa because of the blood discharge that accompanies the delivery of a newborn. They also argue that blood is the only thing that leaves the body of a deceased person. Thus, when referring to death, they used the term Salat nafsuhu, meaning his blood was exuded or that hedied. Also in the English language, one can find the term bloodless to mean dead. In this sense, the term nafs is used in the Arabic language to mean life or blood. Others argued that the nature of the ru'i, soul is cold, and that the nature of the nafs, self is warm. That is why, in their opinion, there was a need to blow the soul into the body to animate it and to give life to it. The Arabs also called the act of blowing rayab. They say ataha rayhan, meaning blew life into it or gave life to it. In this sense, to blow into the fire means to ignite it, and to blow the soul into the dead bodies means to resurrect them or to make them rise from the dead. Thus, in their opinion, the soul means life. Another group of people considered the soul to be a light spirit, while others may called it an angel or a spirit. However, despite people's attempts to ascertain such opinions, God Almighty has kept the meaning of the soul in His soul knowledge, as He says,